Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will teach you about a small gland of endocrine system. The small gland of endocrine system is known as parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland is situated at the back of thyroid gland. There are actually 4 parathyroid glands which are present at the back of right and left lobe of thyroid gland. These parathyroid glands are present in the form of pairs. The 2 parathyroid glands which are situated at higher position are known as superior parathyroid gland, and the pair of parathyroid gland which is present at inferior position is known as inferior parathyroid gland. Parathyroid glands are 6 mm long and 2 to 3 mm wide. Parathyroid hormones or parathyroid glands can easily be identified because they have dense packed cells. When we see the histology of parathyroid glands have 2 types of cells. One is chief cells and the others are auxinophil cells. The function of auxinophil cells is unknown. The auxinophil cells are lighter in appearance and increases in number with age. Chief cells of parathyroid gland are synthesized and release parathyroid hormones. The chief cells are small cells and appear dark in the presence of parathyroid hormone. And chief cells look clear in the absence of parathyroid hormone and in resting stage. The structure of chief cell is like this. They look like clear in the absence of parathyroid hormone, and with parathyroid hormone these are present in the dense form. Dark dense cells are known as chief cells of parathyroid gland. When we see the function of parathyroid gland, parathyroid gland releases parathyroid hormones. Parathyroid hormones are also called as parathormone and parathyron. Parathyroid hormones control level of calcium, and phosphate. When the level of calcium decreases in blood, then parathyroid hormone causes osteoblast and osteoclast, and this results in breakdown of bones and release of calcium in blood. Parathyroid hormones also activate vitamin D. By activating vitamin D, parathyroid hormones promote calcium uptake by blood. Parathyroid hormones are major regulator of serum phosphate concentration. Parathyroid hormones act on kidneys and regulate phosphate concentration. Another way of maintaining phosphorus level is activating vitamin D, which increases intestinal absorption of phosphorus. Okay viewers, my total lecture was about parathyroid gland and parathyroid hormones. Thank you viewers and Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.